Hello students, welcome back to AIU Education. I hope you are all doing well and ready to learn something new today. In this video, we are going to study Class 8 Science, Chapter 13, titled Our Home, Earth, a Unique Life-Sustaining Planet. Students, have you ever wondered why life exists only on Earth and not on other planets? Why do we have air to breathe, water to drink, and land to live on? What makes Earth so special compared to other planets in our solar system? In this chapter, we will understand why Earth is the only known planet that supports life, how natural systems work together, and why it is important to protect our planet. So let us begin this wonderful journey of learning without any delay. Earth is our home, and it is a very special planet. Among billions of planets in the universe, Earth is the only planet where life is known to exist. Life on Earth includes plants, animals, human beings, and microorganisms. Earth has mountains, rivers, oceans, forests, deserts, and plains, which together create a perfect environment for life. When Earth is seen from space, it looks blue and beautiful. This is because most of its surface is covered with water. That is why Earth is called the blue planet. Satellites help scientists study Earth's weather, forests, oceans, and even pollution. Although Earth is very large, life exists only on a very thin outer layer called the crust. This layer is as thin as the skin of an apple compared to the size of Earth. Still, this thin layer supports all living beings, which makes Earth truly unique. Earth is special because it has air, water, suitable temperature, gravity, and atmosphere. Earth's gravity holds the atmosphere close to the surface, so gases like oxygen do not escape into space. Because of gravity, we can stand on the ground and live normally. Our solar system has 8 planets revolving around the Sun. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are rocky planets, while Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are gaseous planets. Venus is the hottest planet because its thick atmosphere traps heat. This is called the greenhouse effect. Earth also experiences the greenhouse effect, but in a balanced way. Earth's atmosphere traps enough heat to keep the planet warm, but not too much. This balance allows water to remain in liquid form, which is necessary for life. The most important reason Earth supports life is its perfect distance from the Sun. Earth lies in the habitable zone, also known as the Goldilocks zone, where the temperature is just right. If Earth were closer to the Sun, all water would evaporate. If it were farther away, water would freeze. Earth's size is also perfect. If Earth were smaller, it would not be able to hold its atmosphere, like Mars. If it were much larger, gravity would be too strong for living beings. Earth's size allows it to support life safely. Earth's atmosphere contains oxygen for breathing and an ozone layer that protects us from harmful ultraviolet rays of the Sun. Without the ozone layer, life on Earth would be at serious risk. Earth also has a magnetic field which acts like a protective shield. It deflects harmful particles coming from the Sun and space, protecting the atmosphere and living beings. Life on Earth is sustained by 4 major systems: the atmosphere, hydrosphere, geosphere, and biosphere. These systems work together in balance. Plants make food through photosynthesis using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. Animals depend on plants or other animals for food. Decomposers break down dead organisms and return nutrients to the soil. This natural balance keeps life going. Water is essential for all living beings. It covers about 70% of Earth's surface and supports life in oceans, rivers, lakes, and underground sources. Soil provides nutrients for plants, while rocks and minerals give us useful resources. The variety of landforms and soils is called geodiversity. Life continues because of reproduction. In asexual reproduction, one parent produces identical offspring. In sexual reproduction, 2 parents produce offspring with variation. Variation helps living beings adapt to changing environments. Today, life on Earth faces many threats, such as climate change, pollution, and loss of biodiversity. Burning fossil fuels increases greenhouse gases, causing global warming. Pollution harms air, water, soil, plants, animals, and humans. To protect Earth, we must reduce pollution, save energy and water, recycle waste, and use renewable energy. Every small step helps in saving our planet. So students, today we learned that Earth is not just a planet but a unique life-sustaining system. Its perfect distance from the sun, suitable atmosphere, water, gravity, magnetic field, and balance of natural systems make life possible. It is our responsibility to protect this beautiful planet so that future generations can live safely and happily. I hope this chapter is now clear to you and you enjoyed learning it. If you liked this video, please like, share and comment below. If you are new to AIU Education, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more easy and concept-based learning videos. Thank you for watching and we will meet again in the next video.